Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go with the question. X to the power of x equals to 2 to the power of 2048. What is the value of x? Okay, we have to solve for x in the given equation. Okay, now let me take the given equation as it is. That is x to the power of x equals to 2 to the power of 2048. Okay, this is little tricky. We have to consider the stuff on the left side over here on the given equation. We have x to the power of x. In whatever pattern we have the stuff on the left side, in the same pattern, we should be trying to write the stuff on the right side. Okay, here we have the base x and the exponent is x. So both the base and the exponent are same on the left side. So that's the pattern in which we have to write the stuff on the right side. That is the base and the exponent must be same. So that we'll be able to solve for x. Okay, for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the stuff on the right side. That is 2 to the power of 2048. Actually, this 2048 is a power of 2. That is 2 to the 11th power equals to 2048. Already we know that 2 to the 10th power equals to 1024. When I take 2 to the 11th power, that is equal to 2048. Since this 2 to 2048 is a power of 2, always it is divisible by a power of 2. That is, we can divide this 2048 by the first power of 2, that is this 2 to the first power, it's just 2. When I divide this 2048 by the first power of 2, that is equal to 1024. And also this 2048 can be divided by the second power of 2, that is 2 to the second power. 2 to the second power is just 4. When I divide this 2048 by 4, I am getting 512. And also we can divide this 2048 by the next power of 2, that is 2 to the power of 3. Actually 2 to the power of 3 is 8. When I divide this one by 8, I am getting 256. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 2048, this one as it is, and 2 to the power of, since this 2048 is reduced by 2, we can write this 2048 as 2 times 1024, because when I multiply this 2 and 1024, that is equal to 2048. Okay, at the exponent, whenever two numbers are multiplied, what we can do is we can take one of the numbers as exponent for the base 2 over here. The other number can be taken as a exponent for the whole stuff. Okay, here I'm taking the first number 2 as the exponent for this base 2, then we get 2 square. And let me take the other number 1024 as the exponent for the complete stuff. Okay, now in this case, what we get is 2 to the power of 2 is just 4. We get 4 to the power of 1024. Okay, so I just tried I tried writing this 2048 as 2 times 1024. In that case, this is a result I'm getting, but here in this result, I don't get the same value at the base and the exponent. My aim is to get the value, same value at the base and the exponent, so that it will be in the pattern of x to the power of x. Okay, so this method does not work. That is, writing 2048 as 2 times 1024 does not work. Now, instead of 2, let me try 4. 4 means it's the next power of 2, that is 2 to the power of 2. Okay, when I write 4 over here, then it has to be 512. So that when I multiply 4 and 512, that is equal to 2048. The same thing, we can take this 4 as the exponent for this 2. Then we get 2 to the fourth power. The other value can be taken as the exponent for the whole stuff. Then we get 512. So what is the value of 2 to the fourth power? It's 16. 16 to the power of 512. Okay, when I tried writing 2048 as 4 times 512, this is a result. This is a result I'm getting. But here in this result, the base and the exponent are not same. Okay, now let me try the next one. That is, instead of writing 2048 as 4 times 512, okay, we know that 2048 is divisible by 8. That is 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Then let me write 8 over here. When I write 8 over here, then this number should be there, 256. So that when I multiply this 8 and 256, that is equal to 2048. Okay, now what we can do is that we can take this 8 as the exponent for this base 2, then we get 2 to the 8th power, and we can consider the other value as the exponent for the whole stuff, that is 256. What is the value of 2 to the 8th power? That is 256. Okay, so the value of this 2 to the 8th power is 256, and we can take this exponent as it is. Okay, when I tried writing 2048 as 8 times 256, this is the result I'm getting. So here I'm getting the same base and same exponent like what we have over here on the left side. Okay, I think this one works. Okay, now let me write x to the x power as it is on the left side, and we can write this 2 to the power of 2048 as 256 to the power of 256. Okay, in whatever pattern we have the stuff on the left side, in the same pattern we have the stuff on the right side. That is, the base and exponent are same, and here also the base and exponent are same. Okay, now let's compare these two stuff. What value do we have at the place of x? So we have 256 at the place of x, therefore the value of x is 256. Okay, now I got the value of x, that is 256. We find this 256 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.